Okay, today on Dave's Cooking Show, we have a simple, really easy, quick egg dish. As you can see here, I have a muffin tin out, and I'm placing one large egg into each one of these little things here. I'm going to make 9 of them. Okay, and now it's time to add the toppings for this. You want about 3 of them. I'm going to do a meat lovers thing here. So here's a little bit of smoked turkey, some bacon that I chopped up. By the way, this is a great little recipe to get rid of some leftover bacon, and some pepperonis. Then I'm going to pop this into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. All right, I'll see you after 10 minutes. Oh, and I'm going to top these with also a little bit of cheddar cheese. And after 10 minutes, that's what you should be looking at. Now let's serve it up. Okay, this is the way I like to do it. Some black pepper. There should be enough salt from the pepperoni and the bacon. And of course, hot sauce. And that's Meatlovers Egg Muffins. Done.